Kung hindi malinaw ang goal mo, saan ka pupunta? Minsan ba para kang lutang? Trabaho dito, gawa doon, pero walang clear direction. If your goals are blurry, your actions won't hit the mark. Think of this way. Para kang nagdadrive ng walang mapa. Kahit gaano ka ba kabilis, kung walang clear destination, paikot-ikot ka lang. Clarity creates direction, and direction creates progress. So paano? Ang una mong dapat gawin, isulat mo yung gusto mong ma-achieve. Dapat specific as possible. Hindi lang yung gusto mong yumaman, kundi I want to earn 100,000 a month from my business by December. Kapag malinaw ang target, mas madaling gumalaw ang plano. Every small action feels meaningful kasi alam mong pupunta ka talaga somewhere. Clarity isn't boring, it's power. So tanong, malinaw ba talaga ang goals mo? O baka naman naka-autopilot ka lang? Kasi kung gusto mong umabot, dapat tukuyin mo saan ka pupunta.